Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Preparation is very important when the New Year Eve is come. That's why we decided to celebrate our New Year's Eve and December 30 for the group of our hotel workers here in our apartment. Because our schedule is not the same, maybe one of us will not attend, or maybe she will come at 12 midnight to join in the dinner and take a photos. Anyway, I prepared the table for Tuesday night because tomorrow for Monday night, I'm sorry, because tomorrow is Sunday. So I decided to do this morning because I am assigned in the night shift. So I make a beautiful table for the New Year Eve. So this is not very expensive. I expense only 10 shekel here because I spend only 10 shekel. And I will show it to you, my table skirting and the runner I put over the table. Before I choose this color, they said that year 2025, the lucky color is green and brown or maroon, or some said is burgundy. That's why I choose burgundy, because we are girls, and burgundy is my choice. And I put in the chair the pink to make the color alive, because if I put one color, it's very lonely to see. Anyway, I do the table skirting and I make the design for scallop, because it's very hard for me to find a needle with head to decorate that. I want to make more design, but I can't because I use only the needle. I use the needle and put a thread and the hole of the needle to easily remove after the celebration. Anyway, before I show it to you, shout out to Justin Tenorio, Mr. Orlewin, and shout out to Ace and King David. Shout out to Marian, caregiver, and to all caregivers in Israel. And shout out to all hotel workers, to all my co-hotel workers in Leonardo and the branch of the Vatal Leonardo around Israel. And shout out, of course, to DMW and to my family and our family in the Philippines. We Filipino are busy. We Filipino OFW are tired. Even though it's very tired, we will put a time for our New Year's Eve to be together. And I told to my housekeeping manager, if it's okay, we are working in the morning, but she's not allowed us. Maybe one of us will work at the night, and the 10 will do the party. I told to them, if I am assigned in the night shift, just continue your party, and I will join maybe after my work at 12 midnight. Anyway, please watch my decoration, and our planning is bring your own food, then we will eat here together. Please watch this. my decoration. The table skirting is scallop, and then the needle, I use the needle, is very dangerous. That's why I put the thread, because I don't have a in the Philippines called aspili. It's very hard to find in the store. That's why I put the thread and the needle, so it's very easily to pull after the celebration. This is my decoration in the table. So I need one chair here, one chair to have a partner, the chair there. And this is the runner. I bought this in the supermarket. Or how much? This is 10 shekel, or equivalent of 170 pesos. And I cut it, and then I put also to decorate the chair the same color with pink. And then maybe I need to put also here the pink color in the chair. The chair, I put the ribbon, so I need to cut some pink color to make it alive. And after that, maybe if they bring, we are 3 apartment, we are 3 groups. Bring your own food and you will eat together here. They will put in the center the food, the fruits or any kind of food they want to bring. And then in the side, we will put our plate, spoon and goblet. Then we eat together. And the center from here, on the other side, put the food. And we will take a photos. Documentary that we are together before the New Year's Eve. Happy New Year to everyone. And that's all. And good morning. Today is Sunday, and I need to get sleep. I prepared this for almost maybe I start 1 o'clock and then I finish 3 o'clock. 3 hours preparation for this. Good night and Happy New Year.